What's up, man?
Hey, what's up?
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Amar.
Amar?
Yeah.
That's what's up. We gonna kill him today, guys? What's the game plan, huh?
I honestly don't know. Getting hit and this is gonna suck.
It'll be alright.
So I'm using the sniper, so I'm probably gonna try and push around through that way and then go really far over down to there.
Okay.
Maybe try and flank.
Yeah, no, I know.
Alright. That's what's
It
up.
is nice though. I like the. So you aim at someone?
Wow. Okay, thank you.
Pretty universal language with most guns, just aim.
Ah, shit. Pretty complicated.
Remember, guys.
Stage-like advice.
Ice cream, but only the winners get sprinkles. What about ice cream?
Everybody gets ice creams, but only the winners get sprinkles.
Hey, I'm fine with this ice cream.
What up?
What up?
You
YouTube?
Yep. I'm trying to. Pretty cool.
No, thank you. Someone let me borrow it.
So our interface from